Welcome back. There are many other glands that comprise the endocrine system. Let's start with the pineal gland. It's small, tucked deep in the brain, and it produces melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate sleep and seasonal rhythms. This is the thymus gland. It sits behind the breastbone and plays an important role early in life as part of the immune system. The thymus processes lymphocytes, specifically T cells. These cells are critical for immune defense, especially during childhood. Next are the gonads, the testes in males and ovaries in females. These glands are responsible for producing sex hormones and reproductive cells. We will examine these in greater detail in the next unit. The gonads release steroid hormones, and their activity is regulated by the hypothalamus and pituitary. These hormones are found in both sexes, just in different proportions. Estrogens and progestins maintain the female reproductive system and drive the development of female secondary sex characteristics. Androgens like testosterone promote male characteristics. The elephant seal example shows just how powerful these hormones can be. Anabolic steroids mimic natural androgens, but misuse can seriously disrupt normal hormone balance and damage multiple body systems. One important idea here is coordination. Endocrine glands don't work alone. Hormones from one gland influence others in complex networks. We will now revisit homeostasis. Hormones constantly adjust internal conditions to keep the body within safe limits. Homeostasis depends on receptors, coordinating centers, and effectors, all working together using feedback. Without feedback control, hormone systems would either under-respond or over-respond. Neither option is good for survival. We can break negative feedback into steps. Detect change, release hormone, restore balance, and then reduce hormone release. Think of negative feedback like a thermostat. If a variable rises, corrective action lowers it, and vice versa. Positive feedback is rare but powerful. Instead of reversing change, it amplifies it, like oxytocin during childbirth. Many feedback loops involve multiple glands. The hypothalamus, pituitary, and target glands work together to fine-tune responses. When feedback systems break down, endocrine disorders can occur due to hormone production failure, response failure, or signaling failure. Now we compare the endocrine and nervous systems. They're complementary systems, each optimized for different kinds of control. Some situations need fast, precise responses. Others need slow, sustained regulation. One system alone can't handle both. The nervous system acts in milliseconds. The endocrine system acts more slowly, minutes to hours, but its effects last longer. Nervous signals stop quickly. Hormonal signals linger in the bloodstream, creating long-lasting effects. Nervous control is precise because neurons connect directly to targets. Endocrine precision comes from receptor specificity. In many situations, the nervous and endocrine systems work together, especially during stress, thermoregulation, and reproduction. This table summarizes the differences: speed, duration, area of effect, and transmission method. Hormones are messages, not commands. Whether a cell responds depends entirely on whether it has the right receptor. This is the lock and key idea. If the hormone and receptor don't match, nothing happens, no matter how much hormone is present. Some receptors are on the cell surface, producing fast responses. Others are inside the cell and directly affect gene expression. Surface receptors act quickly by changing existing proteins. Nuclear receptors work slowly by changing which proteins are made. Target cells can adjust sensitivity by changing receptor numbers. This explains hormone resistance and tolerance. This provides an overview of these glands and how they contribute to homeostasis. In the next video, we will look at what happens when function is compromised.